Welcome to Accelerate Wealth Building, your ultimate resource for smart investing, passive income, and financial freedom. Subscribe to accelerate your financial journey. Let's get started. Many people assume that making money on YouTube requires millions of subscribers, viral videos, and mainstream popularity. However, this is far from the truth. While having a large audience can be beneficial, it is not the only way to generate income on the platform. In fact, many small and medium-sized YouTubers are earning thousands of dollars per month with just a few thousand subscribers by strategically monetizing their content. YouTube has evolved beyond simply being a video sharing platform. It has become a massive business ecosystem that offers multiple revenue streams for creators willing to put in the effort. The key to success is understanding how to leverage these opportunities effectively, even without a massive audience. The reality is that smaller channels often have more engaged, loyal communities, which can be even more valuable than a large but passive subscriber base. Whether you are reviewing products, sharing educational content, offering entertainment, or teaching specialized skills, there are numerous ways to monetize your channel without relying solely on ad revenue or viral fame. By using smart strategies such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, memberships, merchandise, digital products, services, and alternative monetization methods, you can build a profitable YouTube channel regardless of your subscriber count. The most important thing is to focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that resonates with a targeted audience. If you can provide solutions, insights, or entertainment that people genuinely appreciate, you can turn your channel into a sustainable source of income, even without millions of views or followers. One of the first monetization methods available to YouTube creators is YouTube AdSense, which allows creators to earn revenue through ads displayed on their videos. To qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, creators need at least 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, or 3 million shorts views within the last 90 days. Once accepted, YouTube places ads on your videos, and you earn money based on the number of views and ad interactions. However, relying solely on ad revenue can be unpredictable, especially for smaller creators, since earnings vary depending on audience demographics, video length, and the niche. Some industries, such as finance, real estate, and technology, have higher CPM, cost per thousand impressions, rates, meaning advertisers pay more to display ads in those categories. In contrast, entertainment or lifestyle vlogs typically generate lower CPMs. This means that even with fewer views, creators in profitable niches can earn more than larger channels producing content with low-paying ads. To maximize ad revenue, YouTubers should focus on increasing watch time, creating engaging video content, and optimizing their content with effective thumbnails and titles. Additionally, making longer videos over 8 minutes allows creators to include multiple ad placements, increasing their earnings. However, since ad revenue is inconsistent and highly dependent on YouTube's algorithms, successful creators look for additional ways to monetize their audience. One of the most profitable ways to make money on YouTube without a large subscriber base is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through a referral link. Many YouTubers generate significant income by recommending products and services that align with their niche. This is especially effective in categories such as tech reviews, beauty, fitness, personal finance, and online education, where viewers are actively searching for recommendations. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, ClickBank, and individual brand partnerships offer affiliate programs that allow creators to earn commissions ranging from 5% to 50% per sale. To succeed with affiliate marketing, creators should focus on producing content that naturally integrates product recommendations, such as tutorial videos, comparison reviews, and best-of lists. For example, a YouTuber reviewing cameras can include affiliate links to the products mentioned in the video description, earning a commission for each sale made. Since YouTube videos have long-term visibility, a single video can continue generating affiliate income for months or even years after it is uploaded. This makes affiliate marketing one of the best passive income strategies for small YouTubers looking to monetize their content effectively. Another powerful way to earn money with a small audience is through sponsored content, where brands pay creators to promote their products or services. Contrary to popular belief, companies do not only work with large influencers. Many brands prefer to collaborate with micro-influencers who have highly engaged and niche-specific audiences. This is because smaller YouTubers often have stronger connections with their followers, leading to higher trust and conversion rates. Even with just a few thousand subscribers, you can start reaching out to brands that align with your content or sign up for sponsorship platforms like Aspire IQ, FameBit, or Grapevine to find paid collaboration opportunities. Sponsorship rates vary based on factors such as engagement, audience demographics, and video quality, but many small creators earn anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per sponsored video. To attract sponsors, it's essential to create a media kit that showcases your audience demographics, engagement rates, and previous brand collaborations. Additionally, maintaining a professional online presence and consistently delivering high-quality content will make you more appealing to potential sponsors. Over time, building strong relationships with brands can lead to long-term partnerships and a stable source of income. Similarly, Super Chats enable viewers to send paid messages during live streams, which are highlighted in the chat, making them more visible to the creator. This feature is widely used by gaming YouTubers, educators, and live content creators who interact with their audience in real time. Many small YouTubers earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month through live streams alone, as fans are willing to support their favorite creators financially. Beyond YouTube's built-in monetization features, selling digital products and services can be an excellent way for creators to generate additional income. Many successful YouTubers sell ebooks, online courses, design templates, stock footage, and consulting services based on their expertise. If you have knowledge in a specific field, you can package that information into a digital product and sell it to your audience. For instance, a fitness trainer can create a workout program, a graphic designer can sell custom templates, and a language tutor can offer downloadable learning materials. Since digital products require minimal overhead costs and can be sold repeatedly without additional effort, they provide a highly profitable and scalable income stream. Likewise, offering coaching, freelance work, or one-on-one consulting can turn YouTube into a lead generation tool, attracting clients who are willing to pay for personalized advice or services. Many small creators successfully transition into full-time entrepreneurs by leveraging their YouTube presence to build a personal brand and market their skills. Another innovative way to make money on YouTube without a massive audience is by selling merchandise. Platforms like Teespring, Printful, and Spreadshop allow creators to design and sell custom-branded merchandise such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and stickers without managing inventory. Merchandise sales work particularly well for creators with a strong brand identity or a dedicated fan base. Promoting exclusive, limited edition merchandise can also drive sales and encourage community engagement. With dedication, creativity, and smart monetization tactics, anyone can turn their YouTube channel into a profitable venture, regardless of subscriber count. Thank you for watching. Enjoyed this video? Subscribe for more proven strategies on wealth building, passive income, and smart investing. Comment your thoughts below, and we'll see you next time.